Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is 26th of August 2020 and here is Javeed and Malik with exercise number 7.2 of class 10th subject mathematics. The question number first of the exercise is as under. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Dear students, in order to understand the question, let's make a rough sketch of the figure. Let's take it as the point A here and let's take it as the point B. So A and B are the two endpoints of a line segment AB, and the coordinates of A, it is given that A is having coordinate that is -1 and 7, and while as B is having coordinate that is 4, -3. 4, -3. So let here be a point which divides the line segment, and let's consider this point as the point P, and this point is having the, let's have the coordinate x and y, and this point P divides the line AB internally in the ratio that is given as 2:3. So 2:3 is the ratio which divides the line segment AB internally. So I consider here P is the point which divides the line segment A and B. Dear students, as you are aware, in AB, x1 here is -1 and y1 is equal to 7. x2 is equal to 4, and while as y2 is equal to -3. And then we are having the ratios. Let us consider m is the ratio first, and that is equal to 2, and n is the ratio second, that is equal to 3. So we know that we have to use here the section formula, and the section formula is as under. If we want to know the coordinates of P, that means the x coordinate of x, and that is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, while as the coordinates of the y, that means the coordinates of the point of division, and coordinates of point y, we will write here y is equal to mx2 plus nx1, here my2 plus ny1, because we are finding the coordinates of y here, upon m plus n. So we will now assign them the values are, let us x is equal to m is having value 2, so we will write 2, and x is 2 is having value 4, plus n1 is having value 3, while as x1 is having value -1 upon m plus n, that is equal to plus 3. In the same manner, we will assign the value to y. So m is having value 2, y2 is equal to -3, plus n is equal to 3, and y1 is having value 7 upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. If we will solve it further, we will get x is equal to 4s are 8, plus minus makes -3 1s are 3, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. In the same manner, we will assign the value of y1 and y2 here. So y is equal to 2 3s are it is -6 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 5, which implies x is equal to 5 by 5, while as y is equal to 15 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 3s are, here we will get 1 only. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. In this manner, we find the coordinates of the point of division and that are equal to P, and P is having value x and y, and x and y is equal to 1 and 3. So we'll write here the coordinates of the point of division or P, and P is having x and y, x is having value 1 and y is having value 3. Once again, let's have a recapitulation, dear students. As the question was to find the coordinates of the point of division, and the two endpoints was given. One was -1 and 7, and second was 4 minus 3, and the ratios was also given, that was equal to 2:3. So we take a line segment A and B. A is having value -1 and 7, while B is having value 4 minus 3, and the ratios are also given, that is 2:3, and we consider the point P. P is the point which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:3. So thereafter we had to use here the section formula. Section formula is x. Once we want to find the coordinate value of x, and value of x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, because here the x1 and x2 are the coordinates, x1 and y1 are the coordinates of A, while as the x2 and y2 are the coordinates of B. M is the first vary ratio and the second is the 3. First is m and n is 3. M means m is equal to 2 here, n is equal to 3 here. So we will use these values, and we will write first of all the formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Then we will use the values. Once we use the value, we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So in this manner, the coordinates of the point of division was 5, and the coordinates was x and y, and now we get the value of x and y, that is 1 and 3. That is why I write here P is that was the point of division, have the coordinate 1:3. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you.